Hello everybody, welcome to Cooking with Granny and Mama Soul Kitchen. Today we're going over my wonderful peach cobbler cake. It's very simple. 4 ingredients. You take your favorite batter of cake, or you take a box of butter cake or yellow cake mix, and you get 2 big cans of light syrup peaches or regular, 2 sticks of butter, and cinnamon. That is it. You lay down the peaches in the pan, then you crumble your cake batter on top of it, and then you add melted butter, and then you add cinnamon. And that's simple, very simple. You know, my husband loves it. Oh my goodness, I'm telling you how to keep him in, ladies. If you need hey, I'm telling you, this is the one. This is a southern dessert, and it's delicious, and it's mouth-watering and delicious. If you guys like what you see, hit that like, share, subscribe button below, and follow us. We love more followers and love comments, and happy holiday.